When you schedule playlists and stations, you can be sure that the music you want automatically plays when it should. Staff don't have to worry about the music when you've already scheduled it to match the different times of day, day of the week, season, or holiday. You can add anything you've saved to your music in a schedule. Make sure you're logged into your account and click on Create in the top menu. Click on Create Schedule under Weekly Schedule. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the playlist you added under Your Music. And below, recommendations from Soundtrack based on your business type, different energy levels to match the changing tempo of the day, different genres, and more. Drag and drop the playlist you want into the time slot you want it to play in, expanding or shrinking the block as desired. Music can be scheduled down to the quarter hour. Note that the song that starts at the end of the time block will continue to play until that song is over, and then a song from the next schedule block will play. This prevents abrupt music changes, so it's possible for a playlist to continue for a few minutes over the scheduled time. You'll want to schedule playlists for whenever you're open. You can also stack playlists on top of each other in the same time slot. This allows you to vary the sound and keep songs from repeating even after many hours. The more playlists you stack in the same time slot, the more songs are available to play, so songs repeat less. If you want to give more weight to one of the stacked playlists, you can drag it again onto that same time slot. Click on a block to remove individual playlists from the schedule. Or delete the whole block. Once you're done, give the schedule a name. And click Save. If you're happy with it, click Close. The schedule you make will apply to all following weeks until you either change that schedule or apply a new one. For a different season or a holiday period, you'll probably want to create a different schedule. All schedules you create will be stored under Your Music and Schedules. To play a schedule, just click on the play icon on the one you want. You can apply the schedule to all of your zones or only specific ones. Press Play Music to start the schedule for the zone or zones you've chosen.